गुड मॉर्निंग दोस्तों, थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग माय यूट्यूब चैनल्स। दोस्तों, टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट द very important point which is especially for the student. They can develop their personality, inner side and also outer side. So they need to understand some important things. Really it things will help them. So the so today we are going to discuss two main things which is important. The one thing is matlab we should understand about the neuroscience. Second is the cognitive science. My dear friend, we are the homo sapiens and god and we are the homo sapiens. Our development came from the homo sapiens. Sapiens means the wisdom कि we have got some wisdom, and this wisdom is a make different animal to us because we have got the one brain cognitive power, prefrontal cortex brain, which makes the different from the animals. So we need to understand the cognitive power, cognitive things and the neuroscience कि the both study is a very important to understand our student and also the all humanity, all personality, so that their role is because the humanity development, the body structure development is depend on the neuroscience. So without any delay we are going to little bit study. It is the superficial knowledge. We should know to everybody. So I request please you remain in this session till end so that you will understand what I am going to say, and I think that it will be really very helpful to understand your life. So these two aspect, if you understand the two aspect, so really your life will be developed, your personality will be developed, your children's personality will be developed definitely. So without any delay we are going to study about the neuroscience. So what is the neuroscience? Neuroscience is the study of the nervous system including brain, spinal cord and nerves. So what is the and another we need another the neuroscience, it is a structure, functional and development कि मतलब how the neurons and how the nervous system developed the structure, how develop the structure, how the neurons is develop the nervous system, and the structure development and the structure development and functioning. So we will understand three things. And another things ki that it roles the neuroscience, neuroscience is role controlling behavior, emotion and cognitive things. And the neuroscience is an interdisciplinary field where combine biological physics, chemistry and philosophy to understand the complex mechanism of the neuronal system. So it is the neuroscience. And another things is a cognitive science. What is the cognitive science? It is a very important aspect. The cognitive science is an interdisciplinary study of the mental process including perceptions and another attention, language and behavior, and logical things, problem solving and decision making. So these are the things. And what is the aim of the cognitive science? The aim of the cognitive science is how to mental process, how our mental process, how we process information, how we interact the world around us. And another things, how cognitive science draw insight from psychologically, physiologically, neuroscience, computer science. So these are the theory of model. We can understand all the cognitive things. So my friend, always the cognitive things and the neuroscience is a focus. Neuroscience is a focus on the physically and biologically things, and cognitive science is a focus on the mental process and behavior. And another things, the cognitive science is also offer the techniques cognitive science is that, and neuroscience is a typical examination neuronal mechanism and fundamentals behavior. And second things, the cognitive the second thing is a cognitive science explore functional and computational aspect of the mental process. So these are the things, and the methodology of the neuroscience is also uh, often examine examining technique offer like is the neuroimaging and electrophysically, and another the molecular biologically. So these are the things we can understand all, and these are the things focus on the neurologically and neuroscience. So these are the intersection, and if you understand the study of the neuroscience and study of the cognitive science, so really our brain, our consciousness will be nurtured. So our consciousness is acquiring all the knowledge in the presence of the things is available. The power of the supreme power is available inside available within us, but they are ready to provide the insight, and the present of their insight we can understand all these things, and we can nurture our consciousness. So our consciousness is developed, our consciousness is really developed to understand our physically and mental things. So we need to understand the neuroscience and cognitive science. It is the both important understanding for the all humanity and also student. If especially student, those are the 10th class, 11th class and 12th class, this is the basic structure. So it will be really help to understand in the further study, and they can go any field, maybe doctor field, maybe technical field. So everybody any field, without understanding the cognitive science, without understanding the neuroscience, we cannot grow our life is the depend on the two things. These are the two major things. The major things is the neuroscience and cognitive thing, क्योंकि our behavior, emotion, thought, relationship, everything is depend on the cognitive things, mental process. कि where your wisdom, discretions, and your religion and everything depend on the all the spirituality things depend on the understanding of the neuroscience and cognitive science. So then both aspect, if you understand the both aspect, so it will really help to understand the spirituality, and you can go ultimate truth, and you can reach the ultimate truth, and you can understand the all structure, the molecular structure and a moment of the molecular structure of the body, which thing is invisible form, we cannot naked or naked eyes, but the God has given such type of the insight, we can understand all these things. But we have emerged, we have to emerged, we have to need study every day. And you will, this is the 10th class, is very important to understand all the development reproductions from the beginning reproduction to end life. So it is the process of learning, it is the process of learning, and we should know, we don't we do not waste our time to engage other things. Every time we need to understand our physical structure, mental structure, and spiritual structure, and so then it will help to understand the social aspect. So if really if we understand the both things, so we will not trap in the life's the chronic disease. Because so many people they are suffering so many diseases because they do not because they don't understand about their physically and mental activity, and they are no without knowing they are running to earn the money, but our physically body is not, our physically the subtle body is not designed to acquire all these things, desire things in mind. We always distract. If we will keep all desire object in my mind, our mind will always distract, and we will not get any relevant knowledge to develop a consciousness. Every time we will distract. So you will, and I am giving to so example, in the teacher department and education department, so many teachers, they want to earn more and more money, and they are running to after the money, how to earn the money, because they have taken the so responsibility. They are living in the social environment, so they have created, so they are seated the social people, and they are so many desire is there, so they want to fulfill their desire. So though innate is a one skill we develop in the all humanity, comparison. So they want to fulfill their comparison, and they are running after the how to earn the money. So their money, and they will purchase all the luxury things, all the luxury life. They want to live the luxury life, so that, and they want to fulfill the things. They will run after the money, and their mind will trapped. So that condition, their mind will trap, and their mind will get some stress, anxiety, depression, so many things, and it creates so many anger. And their all body structure system, like is a kidney, it is situated in the adrenal glands, it creates the cortisol hormones, and they will get in the their kidney will be go in the damage. And so these are the things, their BP will be increased. Our body is not designed to take the more stress. If we are taking the more stress, we will lose our body. And these are the things we go outside, and we trap in the habit may be bad habit, nasa. So that you will watch so many youngster, they will trap in the opposite gender affection, love means kamna, desire, lust, and they will destroy their life, because their mind is conditioning with the opposite genders, sexual harassment, sexual functioning. So if we understand what is the skill, after what is the main skill, what is the primitive animal instinct which is existing within the body, so it is situated in our DNA. If understand, then really if you will understand how our body is evolved, how our DNA genes, what is the DNA genes, calm, growth, greed, anger, delusions, envy, inhibitions, all these things are the culprit things. All these things is the genes. So it is the genes. We need to liberation from these things. This is the motto of the humanity. So we need to develop our the cognitive power and neuroscience. So then we can then we can read from all this animal instinct, which is always we are facing problems. But we cannot understand where our arising animal tendency, where arising our thought, and so many times the thought is occupied in my mind, and there are so many objects existing within mind, and we are always trapped in the assumptions, traditions, and beliefs, hypocrisy, superstitions. So without knowing our physical body, without knowing the mental things, we will trap. And so many people, so many Sokas Baba is available in the outer environment. They are and every day you are looking in the television. They are giving so spiritual knowledge. This knowledge comes from to how to develop your desire, and they want to engage in their trip, and they want to earn the money. There is a main focus, so that they will provide so many process. You do something, you go in the temple, and you will offer some gold and everything, and you worship some Havan Pujan Yajna, and you will get fulfill your desire, whatever your student will be become collector and everything, and your student will become the doctors. So this type of the information they will providing. So you will listen some mantra and verse, so it will fulfill, and you will not get any, your all disease will be cured. Such type of the statement they are giving the argument the people. So we need to get the liberation from the such superstitions and hypocrisy. So when it is possible, then we will understand about all activity, neuroscience and cognitive science. And also it also I will suggest one thing, you study the relevant granth, the Vedant, Adi Shankaracharya interpretation, the Vedant Darshan. It is a really help. It is a ultimate religion scripture to develop our cognitive power and neuroscience. And also Srimad Bhagavad Gita. It is a very important point. It is a 18 chapter in Bhagavad Gita and 700 verse. And the first chapter is the primitive animal instinct, which is trapped the Arjun, and also Dhritarashtra. So both are trapped in the animal instinct. And animal instinct, which type of the animal instinct? Delusion, moho, putra moho. The Dhritarashtra was trapped in the putra moho, and Arjun was trapped in the family delusion. So these are the things they are not taking decision. When the animal instinct is spreading in our mind, so we are not able to take any decision. Our cognitive power activity will be decreased. We understand the cognitive study decision making. We have got the decision making power, but and problem solving, attentions, perceptions, and everything. We can understand all these things to use the cognitive power. We use the prefrontal cortex brain, but when it is possible, then we will understand all functioning of the body. These are the things. So many student is they are not understanding anything, and they are going to outer side, and they will trap in the media social platform. They have ability, but they cannot understand what is their actual ability, because they don't know the cognitive power and neuroscience. So this is the inability. They will not achieve their goal. So I think I request to all of you, and I suggest that you read the Srimad Bhagavad Gita, you read the Upanishad, and you read the Vedant Darshan. You would be very happy, and you would be glad to know our country is providing the very ultimate granth, is the Vedant Darshan, which has been interpreted by the Adi Shankaracharya. It will be really help to develop our personality. So I suggest to youngster, and at present you can also watch the video of the Acharya Prashant. He is really providing the excellent knowledge of the cognitive power and humanity, and Srimad Bhagavad Gita and Vedant Darshan and the Sant Shiromani, and also they are providing the climate change, which is very important. It is related to our the life process, and they want to develop the human consciousness of the world, and their channel Prashant Advait Foundation. So really if you join, they are offering very economical price, the 500 rupees for 3 month study. And so I think if you want to develop your brain, you should go in the Gita community, and you join the Acharya Prashant Gita session, and you nurture your mind. So this type of teaching you will not get anywhere. So one platform I can suggest, you try, you associate 2 month, 2 month, and you understand what they are saying, which type of the teaching they are providing. So definitely your brain will nurture. He is not a well qualified person, IIT, IIM, and he acts civil service, and now they are teaching to so many IITians, IIT college and everything. So they have the wonderful consciousness. So and they are the teachers, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Ashtavakra Gita, Sant Sarita, and some philosophers, the Nagarjuns, Buddha teaching, Mahavir teaching, Guru Nanak teaching, Mirabai teaching, and so these are the they are providing the existing knowledge. Existing knowledge means matlab our body existing knowledge, which is a really help to develop our the body. And definitely now our time is a very important. So we have got the such type of the consciousness we need to nurture with this relevant religion scripture. And again I will tell one thing ki please, if you whatever I have deliberation, whatever I have my deliberation, if you have understand few things, yeah, you do not understand anything, so please write down in comments, and you share this video to your friends, so that they will understand and they will nurture their mind, and they will, so that this thing will be make tremendous changes in their life. Thank you दोस्तों, have a nice day.